There once was an ordinary girl who loved everything spiritual, everything silly, and anything that was weird. But more than anything, she loved her daughter, and she loved metal music. Her name is Shanda, aka the Metal Mama. This is her channel. Hey guys, Metal Mama here, and today I want to show you guys all how I do my makeup. And I think today we're gonna go for a everyday look. That'll be good. We'll just do our everyday look. And so let's get started. Let's start with some highlighter. I like to just go ahead and put it all over my face. That's good. This is a beautiful color, so I don't mind getting it just everywhere because you look so good when you wear it. I like to do my lipstick afterwards. So I like this purple, and it is gorgeous color. So I just like to put this color on, and it is lovely. It's such a beautiful color that I think it looks beautiful as a blush. And you can just put it all over your cheeks, and it looks very lovely. And a lot of people are liking purple blush nowadays. Purple blush is really awesome. So you can just put this purple lipstick all over your cheeks and on your chin too. It'll look good once we blend it. Don't worry. Just everywhere looks great. Okay. I think that's great. And then, how about we do some eyeshadow next? And all the colors are just so great. So we're just gonna pick whatever color in the table. That's great, okay. And we like to put the eyeshadow, I like to put it all over my cheeks. And oh, there we go. Put the, that's okay, because we can use our fingers. If we drop the brush, we can use our fingers if you want to. You don't even need a brush. So after you get it on your fingers, let's just put it all over our face, I guess. That's great. Right there, that's nice. That's a beautiful color, so it doesn't matter. As long as it's a beautiful color, it doesn't even matter where you put it. It's amazing. So next, I think we're gonna do, let's do some lipstick. Perfect. There we go. And I just got my nails done. They're really long. I'm not used to long nails, so I'm having a little trouble here, but it's okay. So for lipstick, I like this concealer color. And it just makes you look so natural. So lovely. Again, my nails. It looks so great. And since it's a concealer, you can put it all over your face also. Because don't forget, we're gonna blend, so it's okay. We can use it all over our face and it'll look beautiful. So our lips and our face. And don't forget, we're gonna blend, guys. So it's gonna look great, don't you worry. Okay. So next we're gonna do eyeliner. Now if you guys know me, you know that I cannot Here, sometimes that cap doesn't like to come off, so you know I love eyeliner. When I do eyeliner, I really like to go pretty dark because eyeliner is such a bold statement. It's amazing. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that, but my raccoon decided to pull the camera down. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. Now we're gonna blend. So we're gonna grab the beauty blender. We're gonna grab the beauty blender and we're just gonna blend. So we're gonna blend everything in and it is gonna look great. Sometimes I just like to hit myself in the face with the beauty blender because that makes it blend better. Alright guys, now I think we are almost done. We're just gonna do some mascara. We're gonna get some mascara and I think that that's about done. I think we look great. This is a great look for just around the house or going to the grocery store and stuff like that. And with the mascara, I like to really get my eyelashes real good. Real good. And, you know, don't be afraid to use a lot of mascara because the more you use, the bigger and more beautiful your eyelashes look. So we're almost done. And you know, I don't think I like this lipstick. So let's just do another color. And I think that will be perfect. So I chose a dark purple because I love purple. All right, now that looks great. All right, guys. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see more funny, goofy videos like this and my vocal covers that go up every Saturday. Every Saturday. And these fun videos that go up every Wednesday. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye guys. If you actually hit yourself in the face with the beauty blender, it helps you blend. Okay. Hold on, the eyeliner's way up there. We can't reach it. I got it. Okay. Okay. I can't breathe. Okay. Because it's a concealer as well, we can use it all over our face and it would just look it'll just look amazing afterwards.